Before you listen to any important audio message in the Messages app on your iPhone, stop for a moment. Imagine it's a message from someone you love, an important address, work instructions, or a recording you plan to listen to again later, only to discover 2 minutes later that it has disappeared. This isn't an iPhone glitch, and it isn't an app deleting your messages. It's a built-in messages setting called Expire. For an audio message you receive, the timer starts after you listen to it. But an audio message you record and send may be deleted from the conversation on your device 2 minutes after you send it, unless you tap Keep. And remember, if the recording disappears from your iPhone, and that doesn't necessarily mean it was deleted from the other person's device. Each device handles its own copy separately. To prevent audio messages from disappearing automatically, open Settings, then Apps, select Messages. Scroll down to the Audio Messages section and tap Expire. If it's set to after 2 minutes, change it to Never. From then on, audio messages will remain in the conversation until you delete them yourself. If you're using an older version of iOS and can't find the Apps menu, open Settings, then go directly to Messages and look for the Audio Messages section. But before choosing Never, you should know that keeping every audio recording may use additional storage over time. If you don't want that, leave the setting at 2 minutes and manually tap Keep beneath any important audio message. On newer versions, you can also slide your finger across the recording to fast forward or rewind, and touch and hold the play button to change the playback speed. In the same section, you'll also find Raise to Listen. If recordings play automatically when you raise your iPhone to your ear and you don't want that, you can turn it off. Finally, open the Expire setting now and check for yourself. Was it set to after 2 minutes or never? And if you know someone who keeps important audio messages from family members or someone they love, send them this video immediately, because this simple setting could save an irreplaceable recording. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the extremely important videos coming next. See you in the next video.